Welcome to another episode of Crypto News, guys. Today I'm going to talk about the market and Bitcoin a little bit, and mainly about three reasons that the market will pump up soon. Okay, this is the prediction, a speculation. This is not going to be in any shape and form any financial advice. It's just all analysis of data from previous months and so forth, so we can kind of see and look what might happen in the near future. Okay, so there are three reasons the market will pump up soon. Okay, number one is upcoming ETF approvals. If you don't know, but some of the world's largest financial institutions are preparing for Bitcoin ETFs. This includes the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, with over 9 trillion in assets under management. Some other companies that are part of it as well is Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, Invesco, Wisdom Trust, ProShares. Okay, all these guys have a lot of money and assets under management. With all this institutional money about to pour into Bitcoin, it will significantly impact the price of Bitcoin and, as a consequence, the rest of the crypto market as well. And it won't stop there at just Bitcoin ETFs. People are pretty sure that Ethereum ETFs will likely to follow next. Okay, so number two, why the market is about to pump is the Bitcoin halving event. Right, every 4 years, if you guys don't know, the Bitcoin has a halving event. So there is a pre-programmed big event that takes place called the Bitcoin halving, and each and every time after this event the price of Bitcoin reached all-time highs. So if you look at the left side, there's a little chart how Bitcoin had the halving timeline. It's kind of hard to see, but you can Google it or go to coindesk.com. They have this chart up there. So the next Bitcoin halving event is scheduled for around mid-April 2024, and if this halving event follows what happened each and every prior halving event, we can expect to see new all-time highs of Bitcoin, right? Let's see what happened during past halving events. In 2012, Bitcoin increased 365%, leading up to the halving event, and 8,069% in the year after. In 2016, Bitcoin increased 142% leading up to the event and 284% in the year after. In 2020, Bitcoin increased 17% leading up to the halving event and 559% in the year after. Now the percentages are dropping, but the Bitcoin price was higher and higher, so even if it's a smaller percentage, the increase is significant, right? Number three, why the market is going to pump. Crypto has matured, is more robust and resilient. So while most people focus on crypto prices and whether the market is going up or down, the technology and infrastructure behind these projects continue to grow, develop, and expand regardless of the market prices. Also, let's not forget that this industry is only 14 years old, and it wasn't that long ago crypto was frowned upon by governments and institutions. Now governments are creating their own cryptocurrencies known as CBDCs, and the world's largest financial institutions are lining up to get their piece of Bitcoin ETF pie. While the technology behind many of these projects has continued to improve, these improvements are not currently reflected in its market price. In fact, there are many solid blue chip crypto projects that are highly undervalued. The hint in this article is the ISO 2022 compliant cryptocurrencies. Then you also have new emerging technologies pioneered by crypto like the Web3 and the decentralized finance, two of the most significant innovations to come out of crypto. While these technologies are still in their infancy, combine this with artificial intelligence, and it's almost inconceivable what will come out of crypto in the upcoming years. What is the catalyst for the next bull market? These are currently the top 3 catalysts that could move us into the next bull market, and most people wait by the sidelines until the market heats up before investing. Now, if you look closely at the chart on the right hand side, you can also look this up on Google. The best time to getting into the market is right now, while prices are still low and many blue chip projects are still significantly undervalued. So if you look at the chart, we are at the beginning. Accumulation just started not long ago, and there's going to be a run up section, right? After that comes the distribution and the run down. If you look at these cycles, every project in the history and everything went through these cycles. Unfortunately, a lot of common folks don't know about this, and they usually invest in the distribution phase or even the rundown phase, but it's a little bit too late. So smart money goes in at the accumulation and run up. So at this point in time where we are right now. Okay, so guys, like I said again, this is not financial advice. Okay, I'm not telling you to go and buy crypto, get into it. This is an educational video just to give you a little insight on what could happen. These are predictions, but they are predictions on strong and stable facts. So do your own research before investing any money. Okay, and if you like the content, guys, hit me a like, follow me for some more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.